Want to make a YouTube short with me using your hybrid dermoscope? It's a great way to share a cool case and now even add it to your continuing professional development file. Here's how you can join in the fun. Download the instruction leaflet from the video description below. It has a consent form for your patient to sign. Let them know that images will be shown to the whole world. Snap 4 clearly well focused pictures of the lesion. Record 20 seconds of video without the dermoscope and record about 30 seconds of the video with the dermoscope using contact gel and toggling between polarised, non-polarised, ultraviolet light if you have it. Pick a case where you learned something that we can share and learn together. Share the patient's outcome too. Once you've got everything, send your files and a photograph of the signed consent form to my email address. I'll spend 4 hours editing a YouTube short with you, credited as the creator. Feel free to throw in a silly picture of yourself with your dermoscope if you want. Those are always fun. Download the sheet, stash it on your worktop and get ready to share that eureka moment when the perfect case pops up. Let's get sharing and learning together. Training a primary care dermoscopist for every general practice.